Part 1. Part 2. App Function Demonstration. Open the app and select the added smart lock. Click on Member Management. Click on the administrator's profile picture. Click on the plus sign below the fingerprint. Click on Add. The configured fingerprints can be named on the app. The Enable notifications can be turned on or off according to requirements. The fingerprint has been added successfully. Click on the plus sign below the code. Enter a code consisting of 6 to 10 digits. You can enter it by yourself or click on random. Enter the code name. The Enable notifications can be turned on or off according to requirements. Click on Save in the upper right corner. The code has been added successfully. Click on the plus sign below the card. Click on Add. The access card has been added successfully.
Please come in. Please change admin password. Successful deleting.
Fingerprints, code and card are all deleted in this way.
This card is invalid.
Click on Member Management. Click on the administrator's avatar. Click on the code. It can be modified by oneself. Or click on Random to let the system make the modification. Click on Save in the upper right corner.
Serial number 02. Successful modification of password.
Now add other members to the smart lock. Click on Member Management. Click on the plus sign in the upper right. Select to add. Complete the information of the new member. Click on Save in the upper right corner. The new member has been added successfully. Click on the new member to add ways of unlocking for him/her. It can be seen that the method for members to add unlocking ways is the same as that for administrators. However, members and administrators have different unlocking permissions. Click on Effective Time at the bottom. Select Custom. Then you can set the time and date when the member is allowed to unlock the lock. Click on Repeat Weekly and you can choose the time when unlocking is allowed each week. Turn on the offline unlocking, which means that even if the mobile phone is not connected to the door lock, the member can still unlock the door. Turn off this function, which indicates that the member can unlock the door only when the mobile phone is connected to the door lock. This function has already been written here. Click Save.
Serial number, admin password. Successful modification. modification of password.
And the setting of unlocking permission restrictions has been successfully completed. The addition and deletion of fingerprints and card used by members, as well as the addition, deletion and modification of code, are also the same as the operation methods of administrators. Click on the member's avatar to edit the member's information. If it is necessary to remove a member, make sure that the unlocking methods under the member's name have been deleted. This is to avoid the situation where the member can still use the original unlocking methods to unlock the door after being removed. Click on Remove Member. The member has been removed successfully. Click on Temporary Code, and you can see 5 options here, namely Custom, Time Limited, One Time, Dynamic and Clearing. Click on question mark, and the explanations for these 5 options will appear. The temporary code is a temporary unlocking method set for non-members. You can choose which method is appropriate according to your needs. You can enter 6 to 10 digits by yourself when setting it. You can also click on Random, and the system will assign a temporary code. After entering the password, you need to choose the expiration time. Name this temporary code. Click on Repeat Weekly, and you can choose on which days of the week the temporary password can be used to unlock the door according to your needs. Click on Save. You can click OK. If you click Share instead, you can choose the sharing method to quickly share the set temporary code with those who need it. Temporary code can also be modified or deleted. Click on Temporary Password on the home page of the app. Click on Records in the upper right corner, and you can view the temporary passwords that have already been configured. Click on the temporary code that needs to be edited, and then the relevant operations can be completed. Click on Smart Scenes. There are 2 items here, namely Family Go Home and Door Lock Alarm. Click on Family Go Home. Here, you can choose whether members need to be informed in a certain way when they unlock the door. Click on Door Lock Alarm. Click on Condition. You can choose under which circumstances the smart lock alarm will be triggered. Click on the plus, and you can add assignment. Or click on App Push Trigger. Choose the communication method when the alarm is triggered. After the settings are completed, just click Scene Save. Click on More. Click on Arm Away. Return to the home page of the app, and you can see the words Arm Away opened appear here. After the Arm Away is enabled, if the door is unlocked indoors, the mobile phone can receive the unlocking information. If you need to unbind the mobile phone from the smart lock, click on the editing icon in the shape of a pen in the upper right corner. Click on Remove Device. Choose to remove or remove and clear data. Click on Confirm.
Please wait. Successful initialization.
Part 3. Modify the administrative password. The way to modify the administrative password is different from that of the ordinary password. It needs to be modified on the door lock.
Modify the password. Please enter admin password. Press hashtag for confirmation. Please enter a new password. Press hashtag for confirmation. Please enter a new password again. Press hashtag for confirmation. Admin password. Successful modification of password. System exit. Hello, please come in.
Part 4. Lock Body Settings.
Lock body setting. Please enter admin password. One, door lock opening direction. 2, motor torque. 3, delayed locking. 4, always open state. 1, left opening. 2, right opening. Successful setting. 1, door lock opening direction. 2, motor torque. 3, delayed locking. 4, always open state. 1, left opening. 2, right opening. Successful setting. 1, door lock opening opening direction. 2. Motor torque. 3. Delayed locking. 4. Always open state. 1. High. 2. Middle. 3. Low. Successful setting. 1. Door lock opening direction. 2. Motor torque. 3. Delayed locking. 4. Always open state. 1. 3. Second. 2. 1. 0. Second. 3. 1. 5. Second. 4. Close. Successful setting. 1. Door lock opening direction. 2. Motor torque. 3. Delayed locking. 4. Always open state. 1. 3. Second. 2. 1. 0. Second. 3. 1. 5. Second. 4. Close. Successful setting. 1. Door lock opening direction. 2. Motor torque. 3. Delayed locking. 4. Always open state. Please enter admin password. 1. Always open state. 2. Cancel the always open state. It is entered in always open state. Lock body setting. Please enter admin password. 1. Door lock opening direction. 2. Motor torque. 3. Delayed locking. 4. Always open state. Please enter admin password. 1. Always open state. 2. Cancel the always open state. It is canceled always open state.
Part 5. System settings.
System settings. Please enter admin password. 0. Language switching. 1. Voice settings. 2. Volume control. 3. Wireless devices. 1. English. 2. Music русский. 4. Kazakh. Hamza. Al-Arabiya. Kazakh. 0. Language switching. 1. Voice settings. 2. Volume control. 3. Wireless devices. 1. Voice mode. 2. Prompt mode. It is entered in voice mode. 0. Language switching. 1. Voice settings. 2. Volume control. 3. Wireless devices. 1. Voice mode. 2. Prompt mode. It is entered in prompt mode. 0. Language switching. 1. Voice settings. 2. Volume control. 3. Wireless devices. 1. Higher. 3. Lower. 0. Language switching. 1. Voice settings. 2. Volume control. 3. Wireless devices. System exit.
Part 6. The activation and deactivation of the anti-prying switch.
Please enter admin password. 0. 1. Successful configuration. System exit. Please enter admin password. 0. 2. Successful configuration. System exit.
Part 7. Smart lock initialization operation.